Ready to unlock a world of amazing finds from Chinese online retailers and pay with the ease and security of PayPal? Let's dive right into linking your PayPal account to Pandabuy in this quick and easy tutorial. First, open the Pandabuy app on your phone or visit the Pandabuy website on your computer. Look for the profile or account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app or the top right of the website. Tap or click on it to access your account settings. In your account settings, find the section labeled Payment Methods, Wallet, or something similar. This is where you'll manage your payment options. Tap or click on it to proceed. You should now see a list of available payment methods. Look for the PayPal option and select it. It might say Add PayPal or Link PayPal Account. You'll now be redirected to PayPal's secure login page. Enter your PayPal email address and password. Be sure to double-check that you are on a genuine PayPal page to avoid any phishing scams. After logging in, PayPal will ask you to grant Pandabuy permission to access your account. For payment purposes, review the permissions carefully, and if you're comfortable, click Agree or Grant Permission. You should now see a confirmation message on Pandabuy, indicating that your PayPal account has been successfully linked. Congratulations, you're all set. You can now use PayPal to make purchases on Pandabuy.